Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with Buick infotainment system, heated rear seats, garage door transmitter, OnStar emergency communication system, rear view camera, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, heated driver and front passenger seat, steering wheel controls, Sirius XM satellite radio, electronic stability control, and has less than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.